Today we talk about how can you change avatar on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click on your photo profile here. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on edit. Then you come to this list here. You come here to display name. Just click on it here. So then here add your display name here. So I'm going to add, for example, this display name. You click on it. Then so I'm going to add it again. Then it's going to add with you here like you see. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.